It's a well-known fact that the battery life for the Canon M50 isn't the greatest in the world. So in today's video, we're going to talk about some alternative battery solutions. Don't you hate when that happens? Jeez. Charge your batteries. What's good, creators? Welcome to Monzon Media, a home dedicated to the content creator that's just starting out and may not have deep pockets. So the battery for the M50 is listed to last you about 120 minutes or about 2 hours. But in realistic circumstances, if you're taking photos and videos, it's definitely going to be less than that. At least from my personal experience, I've had my battery drain, after an hour and a half, maybe an hour, 45 minutes. Especially when I go shoot events, I find that I'm swapping out the battery more often than I'd like to. So I scoured Amazon for some third-party solutions just to see what was out there and whether it'd be worth it or not to buy the original Canon battery or go with the third party. Now, the original Canon battery is about $80 here in Canada, about $60 in the US. The third-party brand I got is called a Numoa LPE12, and they cost me about $30 Canadian for the charger and 2 batteries. I believe they're about $20 US. Now, what I had found in my testing is that these batteries only lasted about an hour and a half compared to 2 hours of the original Canon battery. And again, realistically, if you're taking photos and video, you're only going to get maybe an hour and 15 minutes out of these third-party batteries. So it's really up to you if that cost factor is worth it. Now, I've had these for about a year now, and they still hold their charge to about an hour and a half. So I just kind of have to time it when I swap them out. If I could do it again, I would probably have just gotten at least one more original Canon battery and a couple of these third-party ones. Now, for those of you that have a home studio or a place where you're creating your content indoors, the other option you have is picking up an AC adapter. So again, I went on Amazon to check out some AC adapters and came across the Glorich ACK E12 AC adapter. Now, this adapter solves the battery swapping issue. It comes with a dummy battery or a DC coupler that goes into the battery slot. You close the door, you open the little flap underneath where the battery door is, you plug it in, and then you plug in the cord to a power outlet, and you've got permanent power. Now, it doesn't stop the camera from shutting down. It still shuts down after 30 minutes. This adapter is only $16 US, $23 Canadian. And considering the price, it really is a good solution for those of you that are creating content at home or in a studio. So really, it comes down to costs. Is that extra half hour worth it for you? Or is that extra $40, $50 saved more valuable to you? Let me know in the comments below what you did. Did you purchase third-party batteries, and have you experienced any issues or any setbacks from using them? So if you got any value out of this video, make sure to hit the like button, hit that notification bell, and subscribe. As I always say, guys, get out there, hit record, and create.